How to amend a tax return in Drake software. Open Drake software and wait until the main screen finishes loading. Select the Open or Create Client Return option and search for the client return you want to amend. Open the original filed tax return and review the information that needs to be corrected. Save a backup copy of the original return to keep the previously filed data safe. Go to the data entry area and open the screen for the amended return form 1040X. Allow the software to bring the original return values into the amended return form. Enter a clear explanation describing the reason for amending the tax return. Return to the regular data entry screens and correct the income deductions credits or other details. Calculate the return again and review the corrected return together with the amended form. Save the return and transmit the amended return through the electronic filing option. Thank you for watching.